Come from that.
Yes,
was short for.
If you treat, there are three highways in potential development of a nation. If you had gas assets, submarine gas line, or submarine vessels that will pass the danger, your transmission, electricity transmission is an highway.
That's what the problem we still have.
And you remember that I brought Aaron to this country.
Yes.
Electricity.
Okay. What you are about
Telecommunication that is success in Nigeria today, I brought Econet. Econet is now Airtel.
Yes.
I've helped them to flip on the 5G now. The auction that they have 5G. We started it. Nigeria is rich.
It is.
Let's talk about that. It's just thinking and doing. And the essence of our livelihood must be placed on long-term, medium-term, short-term values. To eat values for us. And if you bring commodity exchange, establish it, and it was the first topic of my birthday colloquium when we started this APC. I brought people to make presentation to the federal government. Secondary, primary, seeding. You interdevelop those ones and build your silos. During heavy production, you save your weeds in the silos, dry them, guarantee the agricultural price. Whatever market say, I will buy from you, then I keep the surpluses. So you can never lose. Today, anchor borrowers, I want